Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for my giveaway. I have posted up on my channel and I will link the video somewhere up above about my giveaway of a bubble mailer stuffed full of crafting goodies. I was also doing a swap and I do have 3 bubble mailers left. If anyone is interested in swapping, you can check out my old video and send me a direct message. This is the random envelope that I pulled for the prize. So this will be going out to one of the lucky winners. To enter, you had to leave a comment, please enter me, and you had to be a follower. Here are the entries. Thank you all so very much for your continued support of my channel and my small dewdrop business. This is the current release that is available. This is the March-April release. The colors are so pretty. I will have a new release coming up in May. Let's go on to the winner. The winner, once you're drawn, please send me a direct message through Instagram with your mailing information. I will drop your prize in the mail for you. We have our random generator. We're going to put in the numbers 1 through 25 and we're going to generate. And that number is 11 and that is Crafter in the Rough. Yay, congratulations, Crafter in the Rough. You have won this bubble mailer full of goodies. Please send me a direct message on Instagram so I can get your prize mailed out. And I would like to thank you guys all so very much for supporting my channel. Have a great day. Bye, guys.